How you doing, everyone? It's Kevin back with another video. Got the sawmill warming up over here. Going to be cutting a cedar log. I've never cut any cedar before, but it's a red cedar log. I want to see how it looks inside. Really never cut any, so I think this will be fun. Look at that wood.
Yeah.
That's beautiful.
Smells really good too.
Let's lay it all up on that thing over there. Okay, that was my first cedar log on the mill. This stuff is gorgeous. It's beautiful. And some of it's kind of funky looking, but we do like to make the signs. I don't see why you couldn't make some kind of a sign out of that. And then we got a few decent boards out of it. Not too many, but I think they look really good. I think these are going to be beautiful boards. Some of them got some pretty good character in them. This one here got a big bad spot in the middle, but that's okay too. Maybe we'll do a little epoxy in them. I think they look pretty cool. I love them. Well, that's the first cedar log I've ever cut. I did a little dish liquid in the water, just like a teaspoon in the water. And it seemed to work out pretty good, so yeah, we're liking it.
It smells really good.
Yeah, Julie likes the smell. She just wants to grind it up and put it in a big bag and take it in the house, and we can smell that stuff. It's pretty cool.
Really good.
So we're going to let it dry up, and then we got a little project we want to do with some of this cedar wood. And we'll see how it turns out. But man, that wood is beautiful. And I even keep this type of wood like this here If somebody wants a piece of that to make a sign or something out of, this is still a really nice looking piece of wood. As you can see, it's got a lot of that red in there. Oh, it's pretty. That red cedar is beautiful wood. I really love it. So, yeah, my first cedar wood log on the sawmill, and it turned out great. We got quite a few more little cedar logs out there we can run across the mill and see what we can get. But like I said, I really don't have any place to stack this stuff, so it makes it very hard for me to cut it. Don't want to leave it laying outside, so yeah, we got some inside. We'll see how it goes. So I'd like to tell everyone thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave me that comment if you'd like. Until next time.